Maharashtra, a video war is broken out ahead of the Dussehra rally there. Uddhav camp has released another teaser for the rally saying we never backstab anyone, but if anyone backstabs us, we hack them. Now, to give you a quick background of viewers, remember the Shinde-led faction has also sought permission, had in fact sought permission to hold the rally, the Dussehra rally, at the same venue where the Uddhav faction wanted to hold a rally and had been opposing Uddhav Thackeray group's petition in the High Court. So the matter had reached the court, but the war continues in terms of this video that has now been put out by the Uddhav camp. Arunil is joining us with more details. Yes, Arunil.
4 p.m. today, a meeting of senior Shiv Sena leaders has been called in at the Sena Bhavan, wherein how to get more crowds at the Shivaji Park will be the main agenda of this meeting. Now, I spoke to Arvind Sawant as well, the senior Shiv Sena leader. Both the factions of the Shiv Sena feel wherever more crowd will be gathered, that will be the real Shiv Sena. So a tough competition, intense competition has broken out between both the factions. As you rightly pointed out, a teaser war has also been seen. Uddhav Thackeray camp releasing a teaser wherein they have highlighted the fact that we don't backstab anyone, but if somebody backstabs us, then we will hack that particular person. That has been highlighted by the Uddhav Thackeray camp, whereas the CM Eknath Shinde camp has also released a trailer at the same time only, basically showing late Balasaheb Thackeray's video in which he's been heard saying that we will not only burn this Ravan of the Congress party, but we will bury this Ravan of the Congress party as well. The CM Shinde camp has been taking out an attack on the Uddhav Thackeray camp, basically saying that we are the true followers of Balasaheb Thackeray's Hindutva ideology, and Uddhav Thackeray basically backstabbed his own father by joining hands with the Congress and the NCP, which were the real enemies of late Balasaheb Thackeray.
Right, Arunil, you mentioned that you spoke with Arvind Sawant over the same because Uddhav camp has been taking on the Shinde camp, saying that the evil plan will not succeed. Let's listen into that reaction.
पर मैं बहस नहीं करूंगा।
आप ये बोल रहे हो कि दूसरा कैंप रावण का कैंप है? फिर
हो सकता है, वही तो मैं अपने आप को उदाहरण दे दिया मैंने आपको कि रावण के साथ भी ये दशहरा है ना भैया, तो उसके लिए मैंने कहा उसमें रावण का वहाँ दहन होता है। आप वो भी देख रहे हो, तो बंगाली लोग वहाँ दशहरा रैली बनाते उत्सव मनाते हैं। अब हमारे उत्तर भारतीय भाई दशहरा की यहाँ मनाते हैं। नवरात्रि चढ़ती है, दुर्गा का मतलब क्या है? दुर्गा क्या कहती है? जय देवी महिषासुर मर्दिनी। असुर है ना, असुर ये नहीं कि सामने राक्षसी दिखना चाहिए, राक्षसी प्रवृत्ति होती है। इसलिए मैंने अपवित्र कहा, तो अपवित्र लोगों की जो बने में कामना है वो ये माता पूरी नहीं करने देगी।
The BJP too has been responding to the same. Remember, the face-off is only escalating, and the BJP has slammed the Uddhav camps, saying that the NCP and the Congress have now been asked to get their people to fill up the ground, and has slammed Uddhav's camp for sacrificing Bal Thackeray's legacy. Listen it.
दशहरे के शिवाजी पार्क के रैली में भीड़ इकट्ठी हो, मैदान भरा हुआ दिखे, इस कारण अब राष्ट्रवादी और कांग्रेस के नेताओं से मदद मांगी जा रही है। इनका वसूली कार्यक्रम और स्वर्गीय बालासाहब ठाकरे जी के विचारों को त्याग देना, इस कारण व्यथित होकर के जिनके पास जनाधार था वो सारे के सारे शिंदे जी के साथ चले गए। अब शिवाजी पार्क का मैदान तो भरना है, तो वे राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस के नेताओं से भीड़ इकट्ठा करने के लिए मदद मांग रहे हैं।
So, Arunil, that is one of the allegations that has been made by the BJP. But tell us what would have happened if Eknath Shinde would have intervened as the Chief Minister to get their rally to be held at the iconic Shivaji Park?
Well, whether he had that powers to do that, because the order had come in from the Honorable Court. The Bombay High Court has allowed Uddhav Thackeray camp to hold that prestigious rally at the iconic Shivaji Park. Yes, there are charges that have been traded between the two different factions. Now, the BJP has been alleging that Uddhav Thackeray has asked for help from his alliance partners, that is the Congress and the NCP, to get their party workers from different parts of Maharashtra so that the Shivaji Park ground looks full just the way it used to look when Babasaheb Thackeray used to speak over there. And the same kind of charge has come in from the Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena as well. They have been saying that the BJP will be pouring their own party workers, will be asking their party workers to gather at the BKC ground so that it looks like CM Shinde has more support. So on the ground also it is a perception battle that has been developing, and both the camps are trying to show that we have more support with us, so that the Shiv Senics who are there on the borderline, who have not yet decided, they are hoping that they will jump to their side. So this Dussehra Melawa is going to be very crucial for both the factions of the Shiv Sena.
All right, the sense one seems to get from what Eknath Shinde, the Chief Minister, has been saying is, of course, Arunil, that had he intervened as a Chief Minister in the state and had he wanted to hold the rally at Shivaji Park, he would have been able to do so, but just out of respect for the High Court's order, he's refraining from doing so. And he's once again, of course, spoken of Bal Thackre's legacy amongst all of this and how he's not going to at any cost compromise on that. So let's listen into what he had to say once again.
मैदान कौन सा है, इसके बजाय उस मैदान से हमारे बाला साहेब ठाकरे जी, हिंदू हृदय सम्राट, इनकी भूमिका हम लोग आगे ले जा रहे हैं, उनके विचारधारा को आगे लेके जा रहे हैं। और इस राज्य में क्या हुआ है इससे पहले 2-2.5 साल पहले पूरी जनता जानती है, इसलिए मुझे इसमें कोई बात कहनी नहीं। लोग काफ़ी समझदार है, लोग जैसे भारी समर्थन दे रहे राज्य में से, सभी जगह से, और उन्हें पता है कि ये राज्य जो है, ये सरकार जो बनी हुई है, आम लोगों की सरकार है।
Well, that's the legacy war that continues, will culminate when it comes to the Dussehra rally that will be taking place in the state of Maharashtra. Arunil, thank you very much for the moment. We'll be back after a short break.